What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Butter the Great, and in this video it is TRX Interior Cleaning Day. But that is not why you are joining me today. What you're joining me for is TRX Interior 12.4 touchscreen screen protection, right? Because if you're like me or like other guys who have other 1500s that has the 12.4 touchscreen, you got a lot of fingerprints on your screen. If you're like me, you blew your wad on your TRX. So now it is time for cheat mod number 2. 12.4 matte screen protector. Now I got this off of Amazon. I'll throw the price up there and I'll throw a link down in the description. It is an affiliate link. So I'm gonna go back and do what I've been doing, cleaning the interior. So I gotta finish clean out the floor mats, finish vacuuming here, wipe down all the panels, the little mud spots here and there. And then when I get done with that, we're gonna head back over here and tackle this fingerprint laden 12.4 touchscreen for the Ram 1500. And we'll do all of this crap in this video. So enough of this fluff. Let's go and clean this stuff. All right, everything wiped off. I'll put my keys down. All right, so as you can see, my touchscreen is pretty freaking fingerprinted. All you OCD people out there, y'all like that? You like that? You like that? You want some more of that? Yeah. But anyway, let me see if I can grab it out the seat. So I got this screen protector right here, as you can see. Boom, bam, bizzle. Ooh, nice. Look at some unbox therapy going on. I know Lou always gets excited this part, hearing the sounds. All right. Oh, this is like a booklet. So I have to rip the booklet open. Let me just use my keys to fast track this. All right, here we go. Another little booklet. Let's see what's in here. Nope. Put it in there. Oh, look, I got cute little stickers. Dust absorber used to clear dust on the screen. God sticker. Okay, I'm gonna put that up there because I don't want it to fall up in the. I don't want it to fall down there in the crack of the cup holders. All right, clean display with the microfiber cloth. Use to provide a dust sticker to remove any remaining particles. Align the screen protector display to the tab on the right. Use the provided alignment sticker to hold the screen in place. Oh, okay, that's what those stickers for. You put them on the very bottom. I need to see that. You put them on the very bottom right there in order to hold it when you pull it, the protective cover off of it. Thank you for supporting, I guess, Kicker. We hope our product brings you protection and guidance on all your voyages ahead. Please don't hesitate to reach out and contact us with any questions or concerns. Oh, that's so cute. Should a problem arise during Melanie's guardianship or you are not completely satisfied, the product is covered by 1 year free replacement warranty. 2 year additional coverage options also available by registering your product. And head over to that place, blah, blah, blah. In the meantime, please feel free to tell everyone about your product by leaving us a review. You'll be helping future customers see the quality of our product and allows us to significantly improve it for everyone in the future. Thank you for choosing Kicker. Enjoy your journey. In your possession is one of our well-crafted screen protectors from Melanie lineage. Melanie, the Norse god of travel, will protect your transport through your voyage. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Okay, dokie. Let's do a trial fit, see how close this is. Line it up to the little pieces on the screen. Oh yeah, it fits in there perfectly. Okay. Get off to the side. I don't see anything. You see anything? Do you see anything? I don't hear y'all saying anything. Let's just see a little bit. Okay, that's good. I must have knocked the screen out, but that's good right there. I'm not seeing anything on my screen. Okay, wipe it. Align the screen protector to the display with the tab on the right. This is where you use the sticker to hold it in place. So that looks good right there. This is what when I okay, so I placed these guide stickers on the very bottom of it to hold it in place for me. Oh, there we go. You can sit right there on the little trailer steering piece. Okay. Sure it stays lined up. It's lined up to me. So easy, even butter can do it. Okay, now I should be able to fold this off. Just make sure everything still looks fine. So I got just a little bit on the back side when I touched it. See my phone right there? Yep, I can see it right there. I can see clearly now, the light is on. Okay, it's good now. Oh gosh, the euphoria from that sound. Oh, that's some crap. The daggone guide stickers came off. Barely even moved the thing. Man, you know what? Bump you guide stickers. Oh man, I can't win from losing them. I mean, come on. Every single time I'm trying to do something to TRX, something is going on, right? I mean, with the tuxedo bed cover from the last video, I tried to, do the install without reading instructions, but hey, it wasn't my fault that the web stripping was short, right? And then here we go with this screen protector, and bam, I did everything right, and then all of a sudden the little guide things just come off. Like, I mean, come on, man. But it is what it is. Now, I will say, if you get this particular screen protector with those little guide stickers at the bottom, and you do it just like that, make sure you go ahead and start peeling off the screen protector That way you can go ahead and already start having it done. That way when you get to the last part, you're not putting so much tension and pull it off of the stickers. Now I think that's where I got to a point where I messed up at. So I would say go ahead and start peeling some of it off, and then make sure you hold it down at the bottom to make sure that you can actually, you know, peel that last little piece off before it comes up off, right? That's a good tip, I would probably say. And also I will say that this screen protector is cut exactly the size as the screen for the 12.4 Uconnect, right? So you had to get it exact. You don't really have much room of error on this. So you'll see in the next few clips that I'm about to show you, because I'm filming this after the fact, you'll see that I have to kind of keep taking the screen protector on and off because it is just such a tight tolerance. So I will say that if you want to make sure you don't get any air bubbles, just take your time, right? This is, I haven't said it, this is like one of those glass screen protectors, kind of like your InvisiShield for your phone. This is pretty much the same thing. So just make sure you take your time, start from the bottom. If you use the guys, start from the bottom and start working. I mean, you can bend it. Don't bend it like this and crack it, but you can bend it some and start working those air bubbles out. That way you won't have a bubble here and a bubble there, right? And like I said back earlier in the video, the link is down in the description to go to this particular screen protector that I got. It's not very expensive. It's pretty easy to put on. I mean, if I can do it and I can mess around with it, you'll see exactly how many times I'm messing around with it. If I can do it and get it perfect, you sure enough can too, right? This one right here is the matte finish. That way you can't see your fingerprints. Now the screen looks exactly the same. You cannot tell when the screen is on that there's anything different with it. It just has like a matte kind of like finish to it when the screen is off. So enough of this fluff. Let's get back to the video. Just saying. That's crap. That is some crap. That daggone guy sticker came off right when I was about to daggone press this sucker against the screen. Now I got steady hands.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. Boy, all that like Keenan. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still trying to fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Make me put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like Kima. And give an F to you like John Cena. Putting blood on the brand new Beamer. Trying to earn these stripes like Adidas. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo, mi gente must really need Jesus. They shed real blood, I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. Y'all just talk, don't live it. And just took that route, that seen it. And I'm so outspoken like Reason. Jimmy Neutron, boy, young jeans. And I'm a self-made man out of Sweden. And it's still off top, I'm tweaking. But I still gotta fight my demons. I ain't no good, I'm evil. I ain't been clean since Eden. It's a war going on outside, make you put your hands on your head like the Macarena. That's why I gotta watch my demeanor. You know they locking up blacks and Latinos. It's the same old game, ain't nothing really changed but the mileage on the meter of the Beamer. You get cold when you ride with the heater.
There we go. Not a single bubble. Awesome. And look, my fingers are all on it. Look at that. 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 My fingers are all on it. Oh, I love this mod. Cheap little mod. Let's turn the There's like a little glare on your end, but on my end, there's no glare. Come on, radio. Turn on sometime. today. Oh, look at that. 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 Everything works. Oh, and don't mind the ticking sound. This is a cold start. It'll go away in a second. Oh, yes. Look at that. No ticking. No ticking. Y'all thought y'all about to call me out. Thought you about to call me out. No ticking, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. No bubbles. Get rid of these stupid guy stickers that didn't want to work. But anyway. Nice, simple, and clean mod. I think I'll like it. I think I'll like it a lot. I got all the junk back in here when I'm finished with the install. There was another piece that came down in there. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Self-cleaning mod. Let's take a look at this beautifulness again. Oh, you wish your screen was as clean as mine. Don't you wish your screen was clean as mine? Don't you wish your screen had no fingerprints like mine? Don't ya? Don't ya? Oh no, what are those? Look at that mud on my shoes. I gotta clean this again. Now, I'm not gonna bore you guys with me cleaning this floor mat and stuff back off that I just cleaned with my muddy shoes, but we did get some accomplished today. Nice screen protector. Definitely recommend it. Oh, I just love no air bubbles. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you found this matte screen protector installed on the 12.4 touchscreen for the TRX, or really any 1500 that has a 12.4 screen. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Share this video to your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your friend, your twin, or anybody you know that got a TRX or 1500 with this screen. Nice, cheap little mod to keep their dirty fingerprints off of their screen. So until the next video, I got more mods to do, and I'm out.